So if you're a choir master or a pianist, organist, or a music leader, and you're always recording soprano, alto, tenor, bass manually every week for your choristers, there's a much easier way to do this. And once you see this, you may start wondering why you've been spending so much time recording the various parts for your choir.
SDA music reactions, learning lessons for this generation. Together we'll discover what God is saying there.
So today I'm going to show you how I use MuseScore to help choirs learn songs faster without you having to sing or record every section. And no, MuseScore is not sponsoring this video. I just think this is something more church musicians need to know about. Now let's do this together. First, download and install MuseScore. It will open like so. Then you have to search for the title of the song you want. So in this case, let's say we are looking for Jesus Keep Me Near the Cross. So we'll type that in. Jesus Keep Me Near the Cross, and we search, and so many scores are going to come up. So here we are looking for an open score. So an open score is where all the parts are written separately. So first score there, we tap on that, and what we see here is a closed score. So for this, when we tap on the settings, first of all, the settings we see transposition down there. You can change the key to F sharp, G, any other key you want to, or you could also tap the mixer. When you tap the mixer here, you only see piano, right? It means you can't record the soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. But you go down, you try to look through them and try to find an open score, because the open score, you would have all the parts written on separate lines, something like this, which is brilliant. So we go to the mixer, we keep the soprano loud, and then we adjust the volume for the alto. Okay, so reduce alto, tenor, and bass, and then we keep soprano loud, and this is how it sounds. Wonderful. So you just screen record what we just did, and then you share it with the choir. You can do same for the alto as well. So all you do is you just repeat the process for tenor and bass, and hopefully your choir can learn so many songs in a shorter space, or maybe learn the songs more effectively moving forward. I hope this was useful. If it was, please share it with your choir master, share it with your pianist, or use it yourself to develop your musical skills as well. Thank you so much for watching. Christ is coming soon, so get ready. But until then, keep singing to lift up his name. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.